Okay, simple but effective immobiliser we've added to this 2022 Mini. So lock and unlock with a factory key as normal. Get in the car, foot on the brake, push to start. Vehicle doesn't start. Okay. So it needs to see a handshake, a wireless handshake between the system we've installed and the little driver card here. So I've turned the driver card off for demonstration purposes, but if I turn the driver card on just by a brief push of the button there, and we go through the process again, ignition on, engine starts and runs. There we go. So all the time this driver card's switched on, you can leave it switched on. The batteries inside typically last about 18 months or so. All the time this card is switched on and in close proximity to the car, it will de-immobilise and let you start the car as normal. If somebody steals your key or clones your key but they've not got this card with them, the car won't start. Simple but effective, keeping your vehicle safe and secure. Give us a call if you need any more information on vehicle security. Autosparx 0330 010 0506. Thanks for watching.